This side's the good side at least.
Yep.
Look at the murder scene going on in the windows.
So.
Oh!
Read the manual, son.
That tells me that's just gonna pick the vehicle up the way it's bent.
May do it. It's just a little light manipulation.
What do they make these bumpers out of?
Thing's moving.
That's some springy metal. That ain't doing nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
There's some metal.
I guess your car is just like that then.
I guess it is.
Cause you ain't fixing that. Listen.
Sloshing a little.
It's full of water. Oh, it's peeing. No, it ain't. Yeah, no, kinda. There it goes.
Goodyear.
Goodyear.
I bet it ain't even dry rod.
It ain't even dry rotted. How'd they manage that? I'm gonna hold up the camera instead of moving the camera. I'm just gonna do this because it's easier.
Drop it. Take the camera out.
Who's gonna be the brave soul to get this out?
I'll give you 3 guesses. And the first 2 don't count.
Oh, am I getting to that?
Oh, absolutely.
Well, I gotta
Get that lock washer. We need that.
I'm getting both.
There's
of
2
these.
of them.
I'm getting both.
Oh, there's your license plate bolts too. Don't shake it. You stir it up when you do that. Man, had a good idea.
Yeah, until we have to deal with it.
Just cover it up.
Oh, my hand went in it.
Don't shake it in there.
Why does it sound like bolts coming out?
Just a few acorns. That's not bad. Ooh, I do see daylight over there.
Yeah, there's daylight right there.
There's an AC Delco box over there.
Ooh.
What do you mean? Ew.
It's ingrained into the metal. Oh, no, I ain't touching that. It's soggy. You can touch it.
Many a youngun's been smuggled into the drive-in in a trunk. There's one of them.
What is it?
One of them.
Are you attached to that dart diver?
No, but I am attached to the label here if we can save it.